welcome you to this 10-minute guided meditation which will enhance your perception and raise your level of awareness. In this process, you would get a taste of the powerful science of meditation. You would unleash the transformational effects of it. Let's begin this journey of dhyana. Select a place where no one disturbs you for 10 minutes. You can sit cross-legged using a cushion, or you can sit on a chair. But make sure that your spine is erect and your neck in line with the spine. Keep your palms loosely open on your lap. You can gently close your eyes, but if you don't feel comfortable, keep your eyes open but your gaze comfortably towards the ground. Now start by bringing awareness to your body. Be aware of your face and head, your neck muscles and shoulders, your whole back and your tailbone. Now be aware of your contact with the floor. Now smoothly bring your awareness to your breath. Breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly, easing out all tension from your body. One more time, breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly. Your mind is becoming calmer and your body is getting relaxed now. Now be aware of your nostrils. Observe the flow of every incoming breath in your nostril and observe the flow of every outgoing breath from your nostril. Remember not to inhale or exhale purposely. Simply be aware of the natural flow of your breath. Now feel the coolness of every incoming breath in your nostril and feel the warmness of every outgoing breath in your nostril. Now be aware of this flow of breath in your throat region. Now bring your awareness on your chest region and observe the sensations of your breath in your chest into your lungs. Feel the expansion of your lungs with every incoming breath. Now visualize this breath coming down to your navel region, your abdomen. And observe your belly coming out with every inhalation and going in with every exhalation. your navel region and observe your navel blowing out with every inhalation and coming in with every exhalation. Experience every muscle, every tissue of your body is getting relaxed. And your whole body is going into a deep state of relaxation. Just be aware of this relaxation throughout your body. And as your body is relaxing, your mind is becoming calmer and silent. There may be some thoughts in your mind, but that's perfectly normal. Just observe your thoughts as clouds coming in front of you and passing by. You don't need to analyze any thought or categorize them as good or bad. You don't need to struggle with them at all. Just keep observing your thoughts as a witness. As a pure witness who is not at all connected with those thoughts. If you do so, these thoughts would simply pass away like a flowing wind. Now maintain your whole awareness in this present moment and keep observing whatever is happening in your mind and body without getting affected by it. Now be aware of the fountain of joy within you. Be aware of your true nature, which is blissfulness, Ananda Swarupa. Now it's time for you to come out of dhyana. Simply cover your face and eyes with your palms and absorb the energy releasing out from your hands. Now make a sankalp that no matter how much busy you are, you would take out 10 minutes for meditation every day. Trust me, this process is going to transform your life entirely. Now you can gently open up your eyes. I wish you joy and good fortune. Sarva Mangalam Bhavatu.